Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create home screen folders on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do this, we have two options. The first option is by pressing and holding your finger on the app that you want to have in the folder. So press and hold on the first app and then drop it on the top of the other app. Once you place it on the top, you will create a folder. Simple as that. You can press on the name in order to rename it. And if you want to add another app, then you can simply do the same thing. So press and hold on the app in order to start moving it, and then drop it on top of the folder or hover on the folder in order to even rearrange the app. Simple as that. And let's add another one as an example. So there we go. I can try to, sometimes it tries to escape, so we need to be pretty quick with the hovering, and there we go. We can drop it and then we will find the app in the folder. And another way to create a folder is by pressing and holding your finger on an empty space. So press and hold your finger, you will open the edit mode, and now you need to select two apps that will be placed in the folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube Music and YouTube, and after that, over here in the bottom left corner we have create folder, and it will be converted into the folder. We can press done, and there we go, we have our folder. In addition to that, if you for instance want to remove the app from a folder, you can press and hold your finger on the app in the folder and then move it outside like so, and then you can drop it back in the home screen. You can also press and hold your finger on the folder in order to rename it, remove it, or make it bigger. And if you make it bigger, like for instance this one over here, of course you can tap on the folder in order to still open it. However, with the enlarged folder or bigger folder, you can simply press on the app icon directly in order to open the app. So instead of opening the folder like over here and then pressing on the app in order to open it, you can directly press on the app in order to open it instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.